Good morning to all. I am Dr. M. Muthuchelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to present the topic of customer oriented e-business in the subject of business policies and strategic for digital marketing. First, we go to the introduction of customer oriented e business. It is centered around fulfilling the needs and preference of customers through online platforms. The prioritize users' experience, personalization, and efficient service delivery, all aimed at enhancing customer satisfaction and fostering brand loyalty. This approach allows business to their offering to individual customer desires, ultimately creating a more enhancing and responsibility shopping environment. Next, definition of e-business. E-business includes e-commerce, online marketing, and customer services. It can be B2C, B2B, C2C, or C2B categories. There are four types of business categories we have to do through online market. Next one is importance of e-business. The importance of e-business is reaching a global market, reducing the cost of product, and improving the customer enhancements. It is essential components including website designs, online payment systems, and digital marketing strategies and CRM for developing their international e-businesses. Next one, consumer behavior in e-business. We have to evaluate the consumer behavior uh, through the online platforms. Online shopping trends. Consumers increasingly prefer online shopping due to their convenience, variety, and the competitive pricing. They are comparing with the competitors' products and the convenient time they have to order and buy the product, and the variety of products available in the online platforms. Next one is impact of reviews and ratings. Online reviews significantly influences consumer purchase decisions. Through online, we have to collect the feedback those who are already purchased. They are giving their reviews in the online platforms, so it will help to the consumers to buy the product through online platforms. Personalization and recommendations. Implementing personalized marketing strategies enhances consumers experience and boost sales. It is implementing the personal market strategies, consumer experience, and boost of the sales through the recommendations. Next, e-commerce platforms. Various platforms like Shopee, WooCommerce, and Magento provides a business with tools to create and manage the online stores. Next one is uh, mobile commerce. In the mobile commerce, they raise the smartphones has raised mobile commerce, necessitating the websites and for the mobile services. It will easy to order the product through their mobile phones in the various online platforms. Next one is challenges in e-business. Cyber security risk. The e-business, the online platform manufacturers and the sellers facing variety of challenges. First one is cyber security risk. Protecting consumers' data and maintaining security is a significant challenge for the e-businesses. Investing in robust um, security measures in essential to build the trust. Next one is competition. The online marketplace is highly competitive, requiring business to differentiate themselves through unique offering and branding and customer services. Then logistic and supply chain efficiency. Managing logistics and supply chain is crucial for timely deliver and customer satisfaction, especially for businesses dealing with physical products. Customer services in e-business. Providing excellent customer support through various channels is essential for resolving the issues and enhancing customer satisfaction. Implementing the chatbots can efficiently handle customer enquiries 24 to 24 bar 7, improving their response timing. This is the most important customer services in the e-business. We have to face more challenges and satisfy and resolve the challenges and satisfy the customer through online platforms. Thank you.